Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sabotage to a Catapull. So obviously you need to know a Catapull already. There's a video up for that, so if you don't know it, nip off, have a quick learn and then come back. So standard Catapull, the guy's in charge all the way through, and it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the key point, the best place for the ladies to take over and sabotage this move is when the lady is at the front and the guy's at the back. So it looks like a normal Catapull position, but with the lady where the guy would be, and hence it's the perfect time to take over the lead. So here I'm in control, but if I bring Karen around to here, this is the perfect spot for her to take over and then finish off as if she's the leader, I'm the follower in a normal catapult. And at this point the key thing, ladies, is to give control back to the guys, so you know she's sliding down to end up on top. So she's very much kind of going, there you go, I'm done. So I'll show you that to speed. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She takes over, round, catch, return and hands control back. Okay, so let's do that together one more time, slow, and then we'll have a go at it. So we go back 1, sweep 2, off of the hand 3, remembering to raise that right hand as early as possible as you bring the lady past 4, turning 5, leaning 6, and you've got to remember you've got to use that spare arm as a brake to stop the lady from going too far. As you bring the lady, what would normally happen is we'd bring the lady back and lift the hand, but ladies, this is the point you take over. So you've got to strengthen your connection to the guy. Basically go, look, I'm in charge. And then you bring the guy past on your left hand side, letting go with your right, ladies. Guys, just follow the hand. Ladies, you're just leading a normal catapult. So it's hand over to the right, close to you, over to your left and let go. Guys, we go round. Remember to offer your right, fellas, because you're now following. Ladies are going to catch that, bringing the guy round as we stop, facing each other, and then it's just a return. And as we do the return, guys, make sure that left hand is available. Ladies, if you slide down the top of the arm as opposed to the outside, you can get to on top of the guy's hand and neatly hand the lead back to him. Okay, so let's try it nice and slow. 5, a 6, a Catapull sabotage. We go a back, sweep, lean, over the top, turn the lady, ladies take over, bring the guy past and spin, catch, return and hand the lead back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another sabotage for the ladies to play with. If you like what we do, like the video, and if you want to know every time one comes out, subscribe and hit the bell. Have a good time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.